Hey everyone, happy Friday. Just wanted to jump on real quick and give you a little tip about storing and saving your unused nails. As you know, in each pack you get 16 different finger sizes, and depending on the length of your nail, sometimes you can use one strip or one length for 2 nails. So then you have a lot of leftover. And if you just put it in a plastic bag or in a Tupperware or something, they dry out because it's 100% nail polish. Color Street doesn't guarantee the freshness after the packs have been opened, but this trick has been working really well for me to keep my nails fresh. So let's turn this around. So this is the nails that I currently have on. These are about a week old. And as you can see, I do, let's see, there you go. See, I have a little bit of growth, but not too much. I'm probably going to take them off today and redo them just because I want to do something else. But so what I recommend is when you get the pack, you can see where it was factory sealed. So I know it's a little hard to see with my red tablecloth, but you can see the perforation. So what I recommend is you cut as close as possible to that end. So when you're done, here, back up a little, break apart all the finger shapes, stick them down in there, and then I took my flat iron and I just clamped down on it to reseal it. So this is not something that is Color Street endorsed per se, but I have found that by sealing it with just any kind of flat iron, it seems to keep these extra nails really fresh, and then you can use them. Hi Julie, you can bring them depending on how many fingers you have left, or you can use them as an accent nail or something like that. So cut really close to the edge, tuck them down in there when you're done, take your flat iron and seal the end, and you should be good to go. So hopefully that little trick works for you and helps you save those extra nails. Have a good weekend.